Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut PC Pro 8.1.8 and we are going to create OUS. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have just installed Active Directory on a new Hyper-V guest server named CompTIA. You need to create an Active Directory organization structure. The Active Directory structure will be based on the company's departmental structure. So in this lab, your task is to create the following OUS in the compnet.local domain. You're going to create accounting, admins, marketing, research, dev, sales, servers, support, workstation. Create the following OUS in the sales container, sales manager, temp sales. Alright, so let's start up right away. We go to Hyper-V Manager, we right click on it and we click on connect to server. Okay, this feature is not available yet, so let's go to Cop server and right click on it. Then we want to go to CompTIA and right click, then we go to connect. Alright, so this is connected. So we go to local server. Nope, not local server yet. Okay, so it's gonna be let's see, so let's go to tools first and go to scroll down to let's see if we have the option here, Active Directory. All right, so this is Active Directory, so we want to go to compnet.local, right click on this and we'll go to new and we go to organizational unit. So there we are going to add a couple of organizations. So it's going to be, we'll start with accounting and we'll click OK. And let's click on this, go to new, go to organizational units, and here we want to create admins. Admin, we'll go ahead and click OK. And let's click on this, go to new, go to organizational unit, and the next is marketing. So go ahead and click OK. And then we repeat the same thing. We go to organizational units and we want to create research-dev. Go ahead and click OK. So we go to compnet.local, we want to go to new and we repeat the same process, organizational unit, and the next is sales. So go ahead and click OK. We repeat the same process for servers. So we go here. Let's see, servers, support, workstation. You are the administrator for smart corporate network. You just installed Active Directory on a new Hyper-V guest server named CompTIA. You need to create an Active Directory organizational structure. The Active Directory structure will be based on the company's departmental structure. Alright, so I had to read the tags again just to be sure that we're on the right path. Okay, so we go over here, we right click, we want to go to new and organizational unit, and we'll go ahead and create servers. Go ahead and click OK. So we'll go to the same process again. So go here and we'll go to organizational, and we're going to type in support. Go ahead and click OK. Right click on this. I want to go to nope. I want to go to new, and scroll down to organizational unit, and then we're going to type in workstation. Go ahead and click OK. And let's see, what do we have there? Sales manager in the sales container. So let's go to the sales. Go to sales. So we'll go to sales, let's click on this. We want to go to new and organizational unit. So for this, we're going to create sales manager. So we'll repeat the same process. We'll go to all tags, new and organizational unit. Then we're going to input temp sales. Alright, so let's see how we do. Everything is correct. Find this video helpful, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to the channel. You can reach me through my email and join my professional membership for more videos that are not available here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.